Hello, welcome to another video. Today I got some exciting stuff. So PRP came in clutch. They gave me a little they gave me some goodies. So I reached out to them saying that I got a couple projects and some plans with all the different cars I have. Look at that. Cop this, I don't know, this is kind of lame, but like I got a new display cabinet. I got it from a surf shop from good old Gumtree. So, let's have a look. So, we got one GTR coil pack. We got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you probably know we are going to be upgrading the R32's ignition with PRP's. Fuck me, they gave me so many stickers, what the fuck. This is so awesome, man. Shout out to the boys. Blake specifically took care of me, and hopefully you guys will see more PRP goodness. And I mean, look at that, that's such a clean illustration too. So what we have here is PRP's oil cap in purple, which you've probably seen. That 32 over there's oil cap previously in the last video. We got the hardware. What else is here? Here's a goodie. So PRP also includes a harness specific for the R32, because R32s have that ugly square ignition that sits onto the coil pack cover. And basically with this harness, because you're using the GTR coil packs, you can just delete that ignition igniter, sorry. So basically this loom, you make it a lot cleaner. So this loom is God's gift. We also have PRP's GTR billet bracket. What the fuck? We got some mint. We got some fucking mints. That's awesome. And another PRP sticker. So yeah, shout out to the boys PRP for hooking up the 32. We'll see how things goes. Like, we're gonna see some good shit with the PRP. We're gonna be working with them, and yeah, pretty keen on that. All right. So to explain the PRP GTR coil pack kit even more, so here underneath the cover is where your coil packs would be, and pretty much most people that would upgrade the coil packs would go for yellow jackets, I believe, or Spitfires. But the thing is, from personal experience as well, they don't last long, unfortunately. So they'll probably like last a year or so, but then they'll start to die out, and then you just end up just replacing the coil pack. So to combat that, PRP has made a kit which you can utilize the GTR kit, GTR coil pack. So that's what we're going to be installing. Let's have a look. The ugly igniter. So this is a 4-door. So you got your Spitfires here, and then you got this. You still got to utilize your ugly igniter here, which is usually sitting on top. All right, let's install it.
Right.
Hey! Hey guys.
The deck set just looks like an Andrew bumper.
Crush washer first, and then normal washer.
Oh, spring washer, you mean?
Spring, yeah.
Yeah, like that.
Okay.
Does it mean it's going to run sometime?
Yeah, give it some time. I got too many projects going on.
Pick one.
I got a business as well. Yeah, I know. Pick one. Yeah, we'll get there.
That's stupid. Why would you pick one?
Yeah, like start on one, like finish one, then go the other.
Fuck, I didn't think of that.
I don't do that either. I do like mostly the 15. Now throw a little bit of Hilux in it.
Yeah.
I do a bit more 15. Now throw a
I'm
bit
like
more
that as well.
needed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why do I have extra bolts?
Oh yes, no idea. The only I feel is I just get second hands and bring my. Most common. Where is your work? I know it's in the region. And every time I'm going to the beach, so like, wondering, like, just wait until it will blue every time.
Yes. And there you have it. So, it's a new day. Last night I put in the PRP R35 GTR coil pack conversion kit. Yeah, it was such a really easy install, honestly. Well, that's probably why it didn't come with instructions, but yeah. Like, it makes me want to not run the coil pack cover, but I kind of prefer to run the coil pack cover just to protect it from all the weather and all that stuff. Yeah, so here it is. Yeah, I've been filming with my Sony A7, but that was only capable of doing 1080p, and it's just old, honestly. Like, it's great for as a starter for someone that's trying to learn, but I thought it'd be a good idea to upgrade. So, A7S2. So what I'm gonna do is quickly do a crazy transition and see if we can notice any big difference with the GoPro. Oh, there we go. This is weird with vlogging with a DSLR or with the Sony, but anyway, this is it. So no, I won't be using this camera for vlogs, but I will be using this for some glamour shots or feature films, or just anything promotional wise, or that needs some high, just up to production rather than a GoPro. So anyway, there's the Evo, there's the 32, 14, Pathfinder. Yeah, so I'm gonna be mounting this onto the gimbal, and we'll see how we go. Yeah.